Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little installation video on some drive axle protectors. Okay, as you can see, last year, I'll get that camera to focus in a bit. I was doing some jumping and I landed a little hard and I ended up kinking the tunnel just a smidge down there. So I pounded a lot of that out, but what I'm going to do is install some protectors for this year, and as you can see, kind of just go on like that. Now I will have to pop the skid plate up. I'm hoping I can just undo the one bolt and not have to take the whole thing off, and we just drill a rivet at the back. A few bolts. It's nice, quick and easy. It took me a few tries to get the right part number for this. The Lynx catalog's not that great. My local Ski-Doo dealer, they had a little trouble with it as well. But I have a 2022 boondocker 3900, and here is my part number. If you're looking for this, if it's a 22 boondocker 3900. So if we hold this mount up here, you can see it's going to cover that rivet right there. So we're just going to drill this out. Ooh. Just going to tap this and see if it'll pop loose. There she goes. Mitch, do you have a punch here?
That fucking shot.
Yeah, well, that solves that one. There's one out. Your results may vary. Now we're going to try and cheat here. And I'm hoping there's a bolt here as well. So I can just unbolt this and hopefully we can just bend the skid plate out of the way and everything will fit. Okay, you're just going to undo this little 10 mil right here. It does come with new bolts for all of this as well. We'll put the old ones there. And one thing I was thinking about doing is, if you look here, I actually have a struggle here where I'm going to have to worry about this other rivet. But it looks like I can drill it from the inside right here, and then after we drill it, I should be able to bend the skid plates from the bottom and force the bolt in. So that's what I'm going to try and do, and we'll see how well that works. Alright, let's see if we can get this in. Can I just get you to hold that there? Gonna thread a bolt in the back here to kind of hold this guy in place. Yeah, I can put a short one in there. We'll put this one there.
That's better.
We'll put that there to kind of hold it in place. And then now somehow that's gotta be moved. Yeah, I'll put your finger here too. It's gotta be here though, because I gotta get my other hand in here. I get that in there once already. I think I need a screwdriver with all the stuff in there now.
Ow,
Watch
ow,
finger.
See it?
I don't know what way I have to go.
There you go, there you go.
Well, no idea what that looked like on camera, but probably butchered that. So, I didn't want to take all the skid plates off, so I kind of just bent it out around. I drilled a little hole in the skid plate that came on the sled. That way, I could get the head of a Torx through it, so I can tighten this down. But if you look, now we have one on here. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt that in off camera, but that's one side down. So you can see on this side, sled took a hit last year, so that's why I'm buying these and putting them on. But I'm just gonna throw this side on time lapse. Again, we're gonna drill this rivet out. We're gonna pop this bolt out, bend the skid plate down, this bolt here, one rivet there, and we're gonna bolt the second protector on. Alright, so that's both installed. One of these days I'm going to pull this off and I'm going to bend that little bit of the tunnel back down a bit. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. One more thing on the list tonight. We just got to swap this A-arm out, but besides that, sled's good. That's how you install the little drive shaft protectors.